Hello friends, today we will be doing this particular passage, that is passage 3, test 3, Cambridge book 13. As we can see, the headings of this particular passage is whatever happened to the Harappan civilization. Okay, it is one of the passage which is described for Harappan civilization, and in the subtitle we can see it is mentioned new research sheds light on the disappearance of the ancient society. It means it is mentioned like the new researcher, when they investigate about the Harappan civilization and they came to know how they disappeared, how this particular civilization, how this particular society, ancient society disappeared. So on that this particular passage is described. Today we will be doing reading this particular passage, as we have a paragraph A, B, C, D. On the next page we have E, F, G and H paragraph, and then we will be doing fill in the blanks, and the question that is left to do is question number 36. See, here it is. In question number 36, if we can see, after reading the passage, then we read the question. It is mentioned here, they are also examining object including dash. It means it is something related to examination of objects. Some name of the object is mentioned in the paragraph. Okay, we should always see some clues, because like on question number 35, when we got the answer, we came to know about a name which is mentioned as Petrie and Singh's team. You can see on the first line, Petrie and the Singh's team are using archaeological records to look at, and at that time when we read the passage, we got the answer grains from 5 millennia ago. Okay, so there is one clue that Petrie and Singh's team is mentioned somewhere in the passage. Okay, it can be mentioned in 2 or 3 different places, but try to remember that where it is mentioned about 5 millennia ago. Okay, and after that you will get the answer about question number 36, what it is mentioned. We will read the question again. They are also examining objects, so we have to see the clue as objects. Name of the objects must be mentioned anywhere, including dash, so as to find out about links between inhabitants of different parts of the region and whether these changed over time. Okay, some changes is also mentioned in the passage, and also the name of the object is mentioned, where inhabitants and for society of other region is also mentioned. So let's see where we will get this answer. So as we read the complete paragraph and we came to know about this, that about this particular thing is mentioned in the second paragraph. So make sure we should go to the second page and we should get the answer. It was somewhere here. See, in the G paragraph on the first line, Petrie and Singh's team is already mentioned, so definitely there must be the answer of 36 as well, as we got the answer of 35 in the third line, where it was mentioned they are analyzing grains cultivated at this time. Okay, so answer number 35 was grains, which I have already made a video previously, you can watch that. And on question number 36, if we read, as we remember last time when we searched for an answer 35, we read till the 6th line, that is till the systems it is mentioned, if you can see. So we will read after systems on the 4th line from the down. It is mentioned, see, they are also looking at whether the types of pottery used and other aspects of their material culture. So material culture and the synonym objects was used in the question, and near to it, it is only one product name that is mentioned, type of pottery. Okay, let's see. Read. Where distinctive of specific region, and there it was mentioned of different parts of region, right? Or were more similar across larger areas. So our answer here will be pottery, because only one object name is mentioned, which was described in the fill in the blanks. So our answer will be pottery. As we go to the fill in the blanks again, and we see it's only one word answer, so we will write pottery in capital letters with the spelling Pottery. Okay, so after reading the paragraph passage, we got the answer. With the help of clues, we can find out the answer of the fill in the blanks and write the answer in capital letters in your answer sheet. Okay, so just read the passage and do all questions nicely.